Right here on our 5th Gen 4Runner, we have our brand new Nomad Tail Lights from Yota Xpedition. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at these taillights and the tools you're going to need to get them installed. All right, guys, we have the brand new Nomad taillights here on the table for the 5th Gen 4Runner, and we also have the tools you're going to need to get these installed. If you have never installed taillights before on your 4Runner, this is one of the easiest lighting upgrades that you can do. It's going to take no more than 5 minutes. These lights are going to be plug and play, and they're going to plug right into your existing factory plug on your 4Runner, and these are going to fit all 4Runners from 2010 up to 2024. Doesn't matter what trim you have, whether it's limited, TRD Pro, or if you even have a KDSS model, these are gonna fit as well. The Nomad taillights are also DOT SAE approved. So when it comes to the tools to get these installed, we're not gonna need much. We have a ratchet, an extension, a deep 10mm socket, and we also have a plastic trim prying tool. So let's go ahead, pop the hatch on the 4Runner, we'll get those factory lights removed and show you all the features that the Nomad taillights have to offer. All right, so we're at the back of the 4Runner, we have the hatch popped, and you can see we have this plastic panel right here. This is gonna be covering up the backside of the taillight. So you'll find a small little opening here that you can either put a flathead screwdriver in or a plastic trim prying tool. You're gonna go ahead and put that in there and pry the plastic panel out, and then you can just put your fingers in there and pop this off and remove it. Once you have this panel popped off, you're gonna find 2 studs with a 10mm nut on each one and the plug for the back of the taillight. So let's go ahead and remove that. So we have our ratchet extension and 10mm socket. We're gonna go ahead and remove both of these nuts. Once you crack them loose, you can just use your finger. Just make sure not to drop them down into the back. With both of the nuts removed, we'll go ahead and remove the plug. Just push on the single tab there, pull that out. All right, so with the 2 nuts removed and the taillight unplugged, now we can go ahead and pull the taillight out of the back of the 4Runner. You're gonna have a pin right about here and here that is still holding it into the 4Runner, so we need to pull the taillight straight back in order to get that removed. So we're gonna grab it and we're going to give it a quick jerk straight back, and that should remove it. So with the taillight removed, you can see right here and right here are those 2 pins, and those go into the body right here and right here. So we got our new one here from Yota Xpedition and our factory one. This definitely looks way better with the smoked lens, blacked out housing, no more chrome or clear. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So we are ready to get the new taillight installed. Those 2 pins, we want to make sure to get those lined up with the 2 spots here on the body. And then also we have this spot right here, which is going to be lining up with this clip on the side here. So we have to make sure all 3 of those line up. Also the 2 holes here for the studs. We'll get all that lined up and we'll pop it in place. So tuck our plug in there, get our threaded studs lined up first. And then we can look in the crack and get that side clip lined up. Once we have it in place, and just push it. And now we can go ahead and reinstall our 2 10mm nuts. So we'll take the new plug from our taillight. We have our factory plug here. Just plug it in like that, tuck it away. And now we'll go ahead and take the 2 nuts. We'll get those threaded on and snug down. All right, pop our cover back on, and we are done. All right, guys, we got the new Nomad taillight installed here. Obviously looks way better than the factory one. So we're gonna go ahead and jump over to the passenger side. We're gonna get that one installed, and then we can go ahead and turn the key on and see how these things look. Transform the rear of your 4Runner with these Nomad Tail Lights, featuring a smoked lens, startup sequence, sequential turn signals, and bright reverse lights. Our Nomad Tail Lights are also backed with a 2-year warranty. If you guys have any questions about these taillights, make sure to drop a comment down below. If you want to pick a set of these up for your 4Runner, they're available only at Yota Xpedition. Click the link down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.